For this video, we're just gonna use the mobile version of the Kaspium Wallet. Once you're in the phone, just go to X and go to Kaspa, the main website. Once you're there, just click the kaspa.org link. Make sure to always get to the official websites so you can click the right links. And once you're here, you just need to scroll until you see the Kaspium Wallet option. Let's see right here. If you have an Android, obviously you go to Google Play. I have an iPhone, so it's an app store. Once you're here, you just have to download it. And now that you download it, just have to open it. You can import if you have another C phrase, but since this video is for new wallets, we're gonna click new wallet. Here you're gonna put any type of name, let's say Kasp W. Done. Next. Here it's just asking you about a password if you want to set a password to log in. Let's say it's gonna be 123 123 and click next. And here's the important part. Once you have the C phrase, it's just for you and no one else, okay? Just write down in a sheet of paper, have a copy of it and save it in your house and somewhere else secret, okay? The second copy of it. So once you get in this order the 24 words, click back up. Here just making sure that you back up the C phrase, secret C phrase, I'm sorry, and now it's asking you for a pin. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, and there you go. Welcome to your new Kaspium Wallet. Once you're here, you just need to click the receive button if you want to receive Kaspa and copy it. Go to your exchanges or preferences and just buy some Kaspa, put this address right here and send some Kaspa. And you're going to be safer this way because it's a hot wallet and you just withdraw it, your Kaspa or your cryptocurrencies from the exchange to a hot wallet. It's better to have it in a cold storage, but if you want a hot wallet, this is a very good one to have Kaspa and send and receive Kaspa. As always, I hope this video helps you, and if you like this video, just hit the thumbs up button, subscribe and share it with someone else. Down below, I'm going to share with you a few of the wallets that I recommend and personally use. Thank you for your support and your time, and see you in the next video.